This video introduces how to set up the HVS-190 control panel. This part of HVS-190 OU is the bus button. Set up the OU. Go to Setup, Panel, Bus Assign. Assign still 1 to 2 to bus buttons 4 and 5. Press F1 to select 04 of LV1. Press F2 to select still 1. Assign to button 5 in the same way. The LV1 and LV2 of the button item can be selected by assigning the Shift button to a bus button and pressing it to select the signal assigned to the LV2 side. By utilizing the Shift button, up to 22 signals can be controlled from the buttons on the control panel.